Hi guys, welcome to my webpage. So the nonprofit that I chose to create is called Giving Hands. Giving Hands is a nonprofit that helps those who were sex trafficked and who have been rescued to start to live a normal life. It helps them get their feet underneath them and helps them pay for therapy, pay to go to school, pay to get a house, things like that. So right here's my logo. I really thought that was a good choice, the hands, because that's how we can help them is by donating money or donating our time. I chose to do a quote first because I thought it was really important to kind of show the statistics of how big of a deal this really is and how many of them were trafficked as a child, so they haven't really known anything outside of that life. And so that's kind of shows the importance. And I wanted to do it on top of a picture that showed the bondage. I kind of chose this layout here because I didn't want all of the writing to be over the pictures of the kids because I think it's important to show, they are kids when it happens, and I didn't want the words to cover that up. Um, and so that's my main decision for that design. But I think that doing the words over this one was okay because it was such a bigger picture and you could really see all of it. Um, and so my 3 points were being the change in someone else's life, our mission, and support. So you could volunteer, learn more about our mission, or donate. And I think the hardest thing was just trying to figure out the CSS for me. Um, but it taught me a lot about how important CSS is, and it really does bring out the design in a website. So thanks for listening, and thanks for letting me share my website.